SV Union High School and Junior College, Pune. Economics, Standard 12th. Presented by Dr. Inderjeet Kaur Ahluwalia. Chapter 9, Money Market and Capital Market in India. Part 6. Money market. What is meant by money market? Money market is a market for lending and borrowing of short-term funds. It is a market for near money, that is, short-term instruments such as trade bills, government securities, promissory notes, etc. Such instruments are highly liquid, less risky, and easily marketable with a maturity period of 1 year or less than 1 year. Today, let us study about the role played by money market in India. These points outline the role of the money market in India. First, short-term requirements of borrowers. Second, liquidity management. Third, portfolio management. Fourth, equilibrating mechanism. Fifth, financial requirements of the government. Sixth, implementation of monetary policy. Seventh, economizes the use of cash. And eighth, growth of commerce, industry and trade. Let us understand each one separately. First, short-term requirements of borrowers. Money market provides reasonable access for meeting the short-term financial needs of the borrowers at realistic prices. Second, liquidity management. Money market is a dynamic market. It facilitates better management of liquidity and money in the economy by the monetary authorities. This in turn leads to economic stability and development of the country. Third, portfolio management. Money market deals with different types of financial instruments that are designed to suit the risk and return preferences of the investors. This enables the investors to hold a portfolio of different financial assets, which in turn helps in minimizing risk and maximizing returns. Fourth, equilibrating mechanism. Through rational allocation of resources and mobilization of savings into investment channels, money market helps to establish equilibrium between the demand for and supply of short-term funds. Fifth, financial requirements of the government. Money market helps the government to fulfill its short-term financial requirements on the basis of treasury bills. Sixth, implementation of monetary policy. Monetary policy is implemented by the central bank. It aims at managing the quantity of money in order to meet the requirements of different sectors of the economy and to increase the pace of economic growth. A well-developed money market ensures successful implementation of the monetary policy. It guides the central bank in developing an appropriate interest policy. Seventh, economizes the use of cash. Money market deals with various financial instruments that are close substitutes of money and not actual money. Thus, it economizes the use of cash. And the eighth one, growth of commerce, industry and trade. Money market facilitates discounting bills of exchange to local and international traders who are in urgent need of short-term funds. It also provides working capital for agriculture and small-scale industries. Thus, the above points outline the role of the money market in India. Reforms introduced in the money market. Now, let us study certain changes which have been introduced in the money market. Some of the important reforms introduced in the money market are: first, introduction of new instruments such as treasury bills of varying maturity periods, commercial papers, certificate of deposits, and money market mutual funds. Second, RBI repos and reverse repos were introduced under the Liquidity Adjustment Facility LAF. Interest rates to be largely determined by market forces. Fourth, National Electronic Fund Transfer, that is NEFT, and Real Time Gross Settlement, that is RTGS, were introduced as an improved payment infrastructure. And the fifth, Electronic Dealing System was introduced to bring about technological upgradation. Thus, these were the important reforms introduced in the money market. Thank you.